Alpha Mind Power Online Live Classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Let me know what you felt about this class and also how the horoscopes have been influencing you in life and how this class can make a change in your mind.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
நான் டாக்டர் மீனா, ஐ ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் திருச்சியில இருந்து பேசுறேன்.
Yes, சொல்லுங்க.
We had critical moments. I took my horoscope and my husband's horoscope to many famous astrologists. All of them said they threw away the horoscope and said this cannot be possible. Is he still alive or are you not divorced and all that? Not even single person said that this is matching. But as you said, it was a mental fusion of the mind, understanding each other. And now after attending your classes, talking to their subconscious mind, and it has been beautiful, ma'am. Thank you for again and again helping us go into the positive mode and to help each other and help us also. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for saying that. Wonderful. Yes, Poonam.
Actually, I've attended your other classes. In those classes itself, I wanted to tell you to take a class like this.
Okay.
So it was a dream come true attending this class.
Okay.
I could easily feel the vibrations when you say the mantra and all, no? I could
correct.
easily feel the vibrations.
Very good. Excellent.
I enjoyed the meditation today.
Very good. I'm so
This
happy.
meditation should be done when? Morning or evening?
Anytime, whenever you can.
When
no problem.
should be this?
Yeah, morning
Evening
is best.
also we can do?
Evening also you can do, and chanting of the mantras also you should continue. Okay, you will see a lot of changes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Right.
Thank you.
Yes, Anita, tell me.
When I did the meditation this time around, I could feel again, like they said, I could feel the chakras and I could feel the vibrations quite well. And I think went into the alpha mode immediately.
Okay.
And I felt even the chakras moving, could feel the sensation of the chakras moving. The one I personally found most powerful and that I felt the effect immediately was Sri Vidya. I mean, that was extremely powerful.
Yes.
And I feel that the energy levels and the outcome of it was almost immediately noticeable.
Yes, true. So practice this meditation also, Graha Dosha, and let me know how you feel maybe after a month or so. Write an email so that I will also, because I'm also trying to gather a lot of feedback, about the class since it's a new class. Of course, many people have very good feedback, but please do keep in touch and let me know.
Sorry, just one quick question.
Yeah.
Is it possible to put this tape on while you sleep?
I would not really recommend that because it would be better if you can maybe you can lie down and listen to it. That's not a problem.
You can lie down and listen
to it. That should not be a problem. You can do that.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, right. Thank you very much. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Greetings to you, Guruji.
Yes, greetings.
This is Akshay from Bangalore. I have attended many of your other meditations also.
Okay.
This one actually, I thought that I would not know all of this, but when I attended this class, of course, I got to know more about it. And yes, as others said, I could feel the positive energy. Everything, the chakras, I felt the chakras, and I would like to thank you for this meditation.
Thank you so much.
I would like to say that this was, I loved it. So thank you so much. Please give me your blessings. Thank you.
Definitely my blessings to you, and listen to the meditation and let me know after some time how you feel and how life changes. You can observe your life becoming better when you practice all these meditations one by one. Every meditation that we do in our classes, every meditation has a lot of effect. So practice whatever you have learned. I know you have been attending some classes. So practice one by one. Every day you can do a different meditation. That way you will get the benefit of all the meditation. So create a routine and keep meditating and then let me know. Okay, that will be really very good. Yeah. In a chair and chant mantras. Yes, you can sit on a chair and chant mantras. Somebody has asked in chat whether you can sit on a chair and chant mantras. You can do that. Can black magic affect us through our chakras, and can it be negated through this meditation? See, for black magic, yeah, maybe this will also definitely help because it is again the mantras of the planets. But what would really help in that case is our psychic energy, because that deals particularly with the negative energies affecting our chakras. And when you listen to that meditation, a lot of negativity moves out. So you can do that also. And I'm sure this meditation also will definitely help if there is any black magic or if there is any negative energy also. Still, we are working with the chakras only. So I'm sure it will also certainly help. So that was good. I really enjoyed the class. I hope all of you also enjoyed the class. And more important is to know how this meditation works, how these mantras work, and what kind of changes or differences you're seeing in your life. That is what is most important. So be aware, keep watching, and let me also know. Anything else anybody would like to add?
Namaste, Guruji.
Yeah, namaste. Yes.
This is Govindarajan.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Actually, I used to see a lot of astrologers. That was after 30 years. The last few months, I did see many astrologers.
Okay.
Because of my planetary positions, which,
okay.
As you said, I used to see daily sheets and predictions of so many astrologers in the YouTube.
Okay.
And not many things I have seen in the last few months.
Okay.
Maybe this class, I think it helped me to overcome my all these doubts and fears.
Correct. That much anxiety will not be there.
Yeah. But one thing, madam, if we start doing this meditation, can we increase in energy of these planets, or only pacifying the
No, planets? I think it increases, because so far the feedback which we have got from the Tamil class, many people felt that a lot of changes are there. Whatever difficulties they felt that they were undergoing because of that particular planet, they felt it became better. So that way you should try out and let me know also.
Okay.
And somebody had asked whether we should look at the Rasi chart or the other one. The Rasi chart is the one you should look at when you do the calculations.
Yeah, main is the Rasi, not Amsam.
Not Amsam, Rasi, yes. Any black magic, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Follow several methods. How do people of other religion manage them? I don't know. People of other religion, many of them don't even look at horoscopes. That is the truth. So that is why I say we should not allow this to, be like an obsession in the mind. We must overcome and live our lives peacefully instead of always living in fear that something may go wrong. Can you conduct a mantra class to protect from black magic? Yeah, we will see. Whatever classes happen, they happen. I don't plan too much. It happens by itself. So if it happens, it will be very good. Let us see whether we can do that. But this class, I feel it is giving very good effect. So I would request all of you to practice and let me know. Give me your feedback. Whatever you can see, with maybe after a month. 1 month is good enough time. At least twice a week or thrice a week, if you practice this meditation, it will be good. But chanting should be done every day. Chanting of mantras as much as you can. If you plan to do every day, then you may do at least 3-4 days in a week. So that is what happens with everybody with the day-to-day life pressures. So at least 4-5 days in a week, if you do, definitely you will see a very good change in your life. It will be a kind of total change. Many things will start falling into place because planetary influence is definitely there. I am never saying that it is not there. But how do we overcome it and how do we remove the fear from the mind? That is the main question. And this class, I hope, gives an answer to that question.
One last question, if I may.
Yeah.
When you chant, do you have to chant aloud or can you chant
No, you can chant mentally also. You don't have to chant loudly. Yeah. In your mind. I mean, that is the best way of chanting because the mantra gets internalized within you. That is a better way of chanting, actually. Chanting loudly is good when you do it in a group. Then the group vibration is very good. When we conduct Mantra Shakti class, the whole class chants. So the whole place gets energized. That's very nice. But when you're doing it by yourself, chanting it mentally is better. Vanakkam, solunga. Yes.
I am Selva Kumar and I am from Singapore. First of all, thank you, Ma. I think this is a very, very good and effective session. This is my second session, and first, I got like completely flattered. I'm doing everything very sincerely, morning and evening.
Okay.
Very good effect.
Okay, excellent.
So,
Yes.
yeah, so it is an amazing experience. And I mean, I'm practicing meditation for a long time, and this has given me a different dimension. That's what I should say.
Okay.
And I immediately get connected to you as like my mother. I don't know, some connections should be there.
Very nice, very nice. Very happy to hear that.
Yeah, so with this mantra, having or influencing the impact of planet is actually quite new. So I think I'm going to practice it as part of my regular schedule, Alpha Mind schedule, and I will definitely share this experience with you. Like maybe 1 or 2. I will be definitely in most of your classes.
Okay, okay, wonderful. So please do let me know. Give me a feedback about this particular meditation. Continue to practice and let me know. That will be really good. So thank you very much, Selva Kumar. Thanks a lot. And someone had asked in the chat whether we should listen to this meditation with earphones. See, headphones are always better in the sense it cuts off the external noise. So you can focus more on the meditation, and the sound effect also is much better. But if it is difficult for you for some reason, then you can play it close to you from a mobile phone or whatever device you're using, and sit back and listen. There's nothing wrong. Both ways it is all right. It depends on the circumstances. If you want to cut off external noise, then headphones, the big ones, that will be much, much better. Right? Okay, so thank you everybody for being here today. It was a wonderful class and hope to meet you all again. Thanks a lot. Right.